I forgetting. My grandfather, Rookie. Rookie is my grandfather. Have a band. But only the story of my father, his uncle is a guitarist band. A guitarist. A guitar player. So very awesome. When he is playing the guitar, the word of the act, style of the guitar, uh, technique about the playing of the guitar. I do my style to my playing to my own guitar. But my grandfather, I did not see. Only the story of my father and my grandfather in the family. I hear in my ear. But my family member always the loving the music. But we have no study. But I study in the internet. But I forgotten because of the studying as a retailer. Sacrificing the past of my studying and focusing the word of the graduating from the word of faith healer. And I chose only the music. When you are studying in the faith healer, as a faith healer, you have choices. If you did not curing the people, maybe you choose about the teaching or singing or defense to your family member and to yourself. Most good in the historical of the heaven is the music. That's the reason I chose only the music instrument, and the story of the writing of the song is much different. My writing of the song, the technique is not like the old songwriter and old playing the instrument. So very meaningful every single. No, but all my studying I forgotten. The same at the new baby born. When you are born from your mother and father, your memory is in the land, and you adapt the place where you are. In the policy of the family member. That's the reason that all studying, when you are graduate, all that is get into the land, the word of the Pater Nostre. And you are built again, remembering the exactly village of where you are. My grandfather Rookie, I don't know where he is now. Because I interested to the band. I interested to the word of the music. But my studying of the music from the past of my childhood, always guitar, I love it. The word of the toy. When I growing up, because I did not play again the word of the cup of the wine, touchy, and the other so many category of my life as a child to make me happy to my own thinking. But only one instrument I chose, only guitar. The word of the marriage contract. The marriage contract about the God and demon, God, Father, and demon. The difference of the Father, Mother. That is the word of the marriage contract, Archangel. Wah. Ah. And the future. Man, I see my if my grandfather is still alive. Because I did not see when I was a child, only the story of my family about the band, but I end up in myself. Oh, true.